Hey everyone, today we are diving into the incredible journey of MrBeast as he takes on the ultimate challenge, staying awake for 100 hours straight. Everyone, please like this video, please. As you know, I want to become like MrBeast, so I have just dream right now, but please support me, guys. And everyone, as you know, this is my second last ninth video of today on for December 2024. And as you know, this is my new adventure story as you hear in the start. So just start and learn together, fun together, make love. Okay, let's start. During this challenge, MrBeast faced intense fatigue, moments of doubt, and what is called fatigue. Must write their meaning in the comments below if you know, and even some hilarious mishaps. And what is hilarious meaning? Must write in the comments. And what is meaning of mishaps? And but through it all, he learned valuable lessons about resilience and determination. He reminded us that sometimes the biggest obstacles we face are the ones we create in our minds. It is right. As he powered through sleepless nights, he also emphasized the importance of teamwork. His friends railed around him, providing motivation and support, showing us that we don't have to go through the challenges alone. It's a powerful reminder that community can lift us higher than we could ever reach on our own. So, what can we take away from MrBeast's 100 hour challenge? First, it's about setting audacious goals, whether it's a personal project or a professional milestone. So, but don't be afraid to dream big. Second, embrace the journey. Every struggle is a stepping stone to growth. And finally, lean on your support system. They can help you push through when you feel like giving up. In the end, MrBeast did not just break a record, he inspired millions to think beyond their limits and redefine what is possible. So next time you are faced with a daunting task, remember, with determination and little help from your friends, you can achieve greatness too. Stay tuned for more inspiring stories. Bye for now.